Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture, we are going to study concept of branch, node, loop and mesh in the electrical network. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. First, we will understand branch in electrical network. Branch in electrical network represents single circuit elements such as resistor, capacitor, inductor, voltage source and current source. Now we will take one example to understand this branch in electrical network. Here in this circuit diagram you can see we are using one current source of 1 ampere, one voltage source of 2 volt, two resistors, one is of 10 ohm and one is of 5 ohm and one inductor of 3 Henry. So total how many components are there here? Total 5 components are there. So since this circuit consists of 5 circuit elements or 5 components, this circuit consists of 5 branches. Next is node in the electrical network. A point in the electrical network where 2 or more elements are connected is called as node. So again we will take this example. Here you can see 1 ampere current source and 10 ohm resistor is connected at this point. Therefore this is node number 1 for this circuit. Again at this point 3 components are connected. One is 3 Henry inductor, 5 ohm resistor and 10 ohm resistor. So this is our second node for this network. This is our third node. At this node 2 components are connected. One is 2 volt voltage source and 5 ohm resistor. So this is our third node for this electrical network. And this is the fourth node for the electrical network. Here you can see this 1 ampere current source, this 2 volt voltage source and this 3 Henry inductor is connected at this point 4. Therefore we have 4 nodes in this electrical network. Next one is loop in electrical network. Any closed path in the electrical network is called as loop. Again we will take this circuit diagram. Here you can see if we move from node number 1 to 2, then we will go to 4, then again we will come to 1, then this is a formation of a loop. So loop is a closed path which starts from a node and it should end at a node only. So first loop is starting from first node, then it will go to second node, then it will go to fourth node and again it will end at first node to form the closed path here. So this is our first loop. This is our second loop. So here you can see second loop is starting at node 2, then it will go to node 3, then it will go to node 4 and it will again end at node 2. That means the loop or the closed path should start from a node and it should end at that same node only. Okay, so this is second loop. This is our outer loop. So here you can see this is starting from node number 1, it will go to node number 2, then it will go to node number 3, then it will go to node number 4 and again it will end at node number 1. So there is again one closed path formation is there. So this is our third loop. So this circuit consists of total 3 loops. Next is mesh in the electrical network. Mesh is a closed path in the electrical network which does not enclose any other closed path inside it. So that type of closed path is called as mesh. So to understand the mesh, again we will take this example. Here you can see we got this is one loop, this is second loop and one is our outer loop. Okay, this is third loop. So here you can see this closed path. That means this loop does not have any other closed path inside it. That means this loop number 1 is our mesh. Again here the loop number 2 is also a mesh because in this loop also there is no other closed path present. Therefore loop number 1 and 2 are meshes. But this is outer loop which is starting from node number 1 and ending at node number 1 is not a mesh because inside this outer loop we have loop number 1 and loop number 2. Therefore loop number 3 is not a mesh. So these are the examples of branch, node, loop and mesh. Now we will summarize all the circuit terminology which we have studied in this class. First one is branch, which represents single circuit elements such as resistor, inductor, capacitor, voltage source and current source. Second one is node, which is a point in the network where two or more elements are connected. Third one is loop. Loop is any closed path in the electrical network. And fourth one is mesh. Mesh is a closed path in the circuit which does not enclose any other closed path inside. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share, subscribe our channel.